the learning channel for physics and mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share our channel. My today's topic is finding sum of squares of roots of polynomial equations. I have to find the sum of squares of roots of polynomial equations. I will start from the quadratic equation. Now suppose if I have quadratic equation, this one, 2x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. I have to find the sum of squares of roots of this one. Suppose if this equation has roots alpha and beta. From a previous video in which I have told you how to find the relationship alpha plus beta and alpha beta, I can find alpha plus beta as minus b over a, so it should be minus 3 over 2. And alpha beta, this plus minus plus, this is minus 4. Now I have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Either I should remember the formulas which I gave you in the basics. Alpha, you know, alpha square plus beta square is always equal to alpha plus beta whole square and minus 2 alpha beta. So I will just put the values. Alpha plus beta whole square is minus 3 over 2 whole square minus 2 alpha beta is minus 4. So this will become 9 over 4 and plus 8. Here I can find the LCM. 4 is the LCM. This is 9 plus 32. So this should be 41 upon 4. This is for the quadratic equation. Now let us see for cubic equation. If I have a cubic equation, x cubed minus 3x square plus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. This will have three roots, alpha, beta and gamma. First of all, I can find what is alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b over a. It's minus 3 over 1 minus 3 over 1. So I can say alpha plus beta plus gamma is 3. Then another thing is product of these two at a time, alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. It should be always c over a, so it is 4 over 1 or 4. Then alpha beta gamma is always equal to plus minus 7. Now I have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. In the basic formulas I told you, if you don't remember this, you can find this. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square is always equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Multiply these in twice, plus 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha gamma and plus 2 beta gamma. So I can say alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is always equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma whole squared minus this one, and this will be 2 is common, and then I can say it should be minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha gamma. So it should be 2 alpha beta here plus alpha gamma and plus beta gamma. You can go by basic lecture for this thing. So I can now put the values. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square is 3 whole square minus 2 alpha beta gamma. This one is 4. So this is how much? 3 3s are 9 minus 8. So it's 1. Again, for the quartic equation, I can say this is the quartic equation, x power 4 minus 3x cubed plus 2x square minus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0. This will roots alpha, beta, gamma and delta. So I can say alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is always equal to minus b over a, so it's 3. And then I have the sum of roots plus 2 at a time, alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus then beta multiplies beta gamma plus beta delta, then plus gamma delta is equal to this plus minus plus, it's 2. Only for a square this is needed. I can otherwise write the product of three roots and their sum and the product, but they are not needed here. I need to find alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. It is always equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta whole square minus 2 and alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta. Or I can write this way in sigma, or sigma alpha square is, I can say it is sigma alpha whole square minus 2 into sigma alpha beta. I can write in this way also. So I can say sigma alpha square or alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square is equal to sigma alpha square is this one, 3 whole square minus 2, and this is 2. 3 whole square is 9 minus 4, so this is 5. So this is the way we can find the sum of squares of the roots. Thank you very much.